Hey guys, it's Maylee. Today I will be teaching you how to make some really easy and fun, my favorite slime of all, boba slime. And this recipe, you'll be needing baby oil, foaming facial cleanser, baby lotion, activator, and something to mix with, as well as glue. And for your little or large foam balls, you'll need black, so it could represent the boba. I'm using small foam balls because I'm running out of my large ones. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first, you just want to pour your glue into your bowl or container. Next, you want to add your other ingredients. I'm going to be adding lotion, about 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want to add too much or else your foam balls will not stay in your slime. A very tiny bit of baby oil. And your foaming facial cleanser. I just do about half a pump for now. You'll be needing it later after you activate your slime. And now you just want to mix it all in. Now you want to add your activator. You want to add it in very slowly. At this point, you want to add in your foam balls, and you don't want to add too much or else it won't look like boba. I'm going to be adding this much for now, and I will add more later on. And you just want to mix it all in until it's all incorporated and stuck inside the slime. I'm going to be using my favorite technique that I created. It's where you add your foaming facial cleanser right before activation, so then your slime can activate on its own and become thick. And this is shown in another video, my 1 ingredient thick slime. I will link it in the top, or like put in the eye right now. You just want to slowly add it, and this will act as like your alternative activator. It'll slowly start to activate the slime even more without using borax. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials, be sure to subscribe, like, and click that post notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. Also, comment below your slime Instagram and I will check it out. Bye guys!